Native to the rainforests of Southeast Asia, the orchid mantis is a predator dressed to kill. These flower-like insects exhibit a behavior called aggressive mimicry. Unlike many prey species that use mimicry to hide, the orchid mantis uses it to stand out. Orchids use vivid colors to attract pollinators like bees and flies, so the sneaky mantises have evolved to do the same, only the insects are doing it to lure in a meal. When an unsuspecting pollinator on the lookout for a meal spots the vibrant mantis, they swoop in expecting a sweet treat and instead wind up becoming lunch. While the orchid mantis's ability to melt into its surroundings may seem remarkable to us, the insects did not evolve to fool human brains. The cryptic mimicry that tricks our eyes into thinking the mantis is part of an orchid plant is actually an entirely different form of camouflage than that which is being employed by the predators to hunt their insect prey. Pollinators like bees and flies do not view the world in the same way that we do. While the human eye can discern finer details and outlines, making it tricky for us to pick out a camouflage mantis resting on an orchid plant, insects see the bigger picture. For pollinators, an orchid mantis appears even bigger and brighter than a regular flower, making it attractive even when not concealed amongst other orchids. So why the cryptic camouflage then? Well, it's possible that the mantis's deadly disguise also serves an anti-predator function, helping hide the insects from birds and other animals looking for a mantis snack. Pygmy seahorses are one of the ocean's most impressive camouflagers. Smaller than a paperclip, the tiny creatures are so skilled at hiding themselves that scientists only discovered the species in 1969 by accident when examining some coral that had been brought into a lab. These elusive fish are too minuscule and fragile to fend off predators and instead turn to camouflage to survive. They spend their entire adult lives living on a type of coral called a sea fan. Calcium-rich bumps, known as tubercles, cover the seahorses' bodies and help them blend in with the sea fan's polyps. But the award for Best Invertebrate Mimicry definitely goes to Hemeroplanes triptilemmas for its masterful impersonation of a venomous snake. Native to the rainforests of the Amazon, the snake-mimic caterpillar turns into a rather unimpressive moth in the family Sphingidae, but in its larval stage it incorporates an astonishing survival tactic. The caterpillar begins its defensive maneuver by throwing itself backwards and twisting its body to expose hidden shades of yellow, white and black on its underbelly. Air is then sucked in through tiny holes in the caterpillar's sides, known as spiracles, and pumped to the front of its body. Once the segments are inflated, the caterpillar takes on the form of a venomous snake, complete with diamond-shaped face and large eyes.